Deleting YouTube worked. Until I needed YouTube. That was the problem. I didn't open YouTube only for entertainment. Sometimes I needed to learn how to use a new AI tool. Sometimes I needed a product review. Sometimes I needed a lecture or explanation of something I couldn't figure out anywhere else. So I would delete YouTube, feel good for a few days, and then install it again the moment I actually needed it. And once it was back, the same thing happened. I'd open YouTube for one specific reason. But before I even searched for it, the homepage was already there. Recommended videos, thumbnails, shorts, autoplay. The trap was back before my intention had a chance. That's when I realized the problem wasn't YouTube itself. The problem was opening YouTube normally. Because YouTube is useful, but the default entrance is designed to distract you. So the goal shouldn't be, never use YouTube again. That's too extreme. The goal should be, only open YouTube when I have a reason. That means a specific search, a specific time limit, and no homepage. That's why I built LockTube. LockTube lets you block YouTube by default, then open it. Only when you choose. With search access, you set a timer, enter what you're looking for, and go straight to YouTube search results. No home feed. No recommendations. No opening the app and forgetting why you came. YouTube stays available as a tool, but the trap gets removed from the path. So if deleting YouTube didn't work for you, maybe the answer isn't deleting the tool. Maybe it's changing the entrance. Don't delete the tool. Remove the trap.